when you do that, don't do it, because I'm going to do it.
You said, my mommy and daddy left to the airport. They left me at home. There's this camel by the door and went in behind it. It went... That's all I got to the airport.
Hey, okay, guys, listen to this kind of joke. So, it's a Chinese joke. The one where they go, me Chinese, me no dumb. Okay, so
Me
one
Chinese.
Chinese, Asian, and American dude died. I've told you this one like 1,000 times. Yeah. They died and they go to the pit. Everybody knows what I mean by the pit, right?
No. Yeah, whatever.
Your armpit.
No. So, Satan says, if you can get to heaven with this camel not farting, you can stay there. So, first the American guy goes. He gets halfway to heaven, and the camel goes. And then the Asian dude goes. He gets right to the gates of heaven and goes. So then the Chinese dude gets there, unpacks all his stuff, stays there for about 3 weeks, then goes back to Satan and says, "See ya." And they're like, "How the heck did you do that?" And he goes, "Me Chinese, me no dumb, Mr. Coco." Me Chinese, me no dumb, Mr. Corco Camel Bum.
Can I have a joke?
I remember the song to the joke. It just says, it's like,
Me
me Chinese, me no dumb, my mommy left down me. It's like, me Chinese, me no dumb, my mommy left me here. I put a cork right up its butt. It went, I went by.
Me
You guys, I'm
Chinese, me
pretty
no
sure
dumb,
Mr.
Coco
Coco
Camel
my
Bum.
teeth
Me
fell.
Chinese, me no
My
dumb,
teeth
me go
fell.
pee-pee in your go.
Okay, I am pretty sure all of you have heard this joke, okay? There's this one guy and he needed a new toilet, okay? So he goes to the toilet shop and gets a wood toilet.
Pero ay, vaya.
Shut up!
Toilet, bro.
I love this one! Shut up!
Okay, so he
like
gets a
10
wooden toilet. He takes it home and sets it up. When he sits on it to go to the bathroom, he takes it back and says, when I sit on this toilet, it gives me slivers. Okay?
See, I've already heard this one.
This is a different version.
I haven't
And then,
heard,
so he takes
this.
it back and he gets a glass bowl. And when he takes it home to get it set up, he goes to the bathroom and he gets glass slivers up his butt.
Ow!
So he takes it back and says, I can't use this toilet. It's putting slivers up my butt and making me poop.